Hello, today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily tune your own piano using nothing but hot water and a very special tool which is very easy to use and can be found in most modern homes. If you don't already have one, you can buy one for about £20 second hand on eBay. Okay, let's do it. First, remove all items from the top of your piano, including vases, photo frames, piles and piles of sheet music. Put them all to one side. Then, fold back the top lid, open up the two quick release latches and put the top panel somewhere safe. And now we need the special tool. Here it is. This clever little device is called a smartphone, and most modern households have around 12 of them. Use the web browser to get to Google and type the name of your city plus the words piano tuner. Call the first three names that come up and ask for price and availability. If they are expensive and busy, that's usually a good sign. With the top panel removed, you can easily describe the piano to the tuner. Finally, when the piano tuner arrives, you can use the hot water to make them a nice big pot of tea. And that's it. The fastest, easiest and best way to tune your piano. Please see the links below to find lots of ways to follow us on social media, join our email list and other stuff like that. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.